Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna say it. I think I'm gonna have to say it. Locust Grove, Georgia, bro. If you know, you know. Locust Grove, Georgia, Nike outlet. Is this the worst outlet in the whole entire state of Georgia, bro? Locust Grove. If y'all been here, let me know in the comment section, bro. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all been here. This might be the worst outlet out of all the outlets. Nike outlets, to be specific. Out of all the Nike outlets in the whole state of Georgia, bro. I don't know if it's changed over time or if it's like always been like this, but I've been out here for like, what, 2 years now? Or going on 2 years. Damn, we never have none. But guess what? We still about to go in there, see if I can find some gems. I might be able to find some. You never know. Always stay on earth. Stay on pavement, baby. Put your feet on the ground, you might find something, bro. Hey, Nike outlet, let's get busy. Oh yeah, I gotta show y'all that tight. I just came back from a job interview, so you know, gotta show y'all what I got on feet. You feel me? All right, man, let's start on the hash wall, bro. Hash wall vibes, 30% off the entire wall. You gonna start in the 10.5 men's section, bro. They got these blue Nike and Flick. I never heard of these, bro. These look like some boxing shoes, bro. What they doing with them? They want 100 beans from y'all box? Size 10 boxing shoes, get right with them. If y'all box, man. Like I told y'all, bro. I told y'all they don't have not a damn thing in here other than here what you see, which is basically running shoes, old basketball shoes nobody really want, and trash. Yeah, they got some Ja Morants in the building. I like Ja Morants. Size 12. And they want 109 for them, 30% off. That's probably a solid price for them. Might want them cheaper. We got these GT Hustle 2s in the building, size 11. $80, 30% off. Ain't bad. I think we got these Romeros though. Size 14, 160, 30% off that price. It's a nice colorway. If you wear 14, looking for these. I feel like I seen these cheaper though somewhere else, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. Got these Ja 1s in the building. Cream in that teal blue. Size 12. 120, 30% off. These are nice shoes, man. I've never seen these in my life, bro. These are Metcon 9s in the building. 150, 30% off. I mean, the silhouette look nice, but the colorway, I ain't really feeling the colorway for real. 120 Air Max 1s. Oh, this is a pretty nice colorway. Size 12. All right. Let's see. Okay, we got a little bit of action here. This is a classic shoe, classic silhouette. Colorway is new. I ain't never really seen this colorway with the pink swoosh. Breast Cancer Awareness Month, October. They right. Y'all rocking with these? Let me know in the comment section if y'all rocking with these. Jordan 1 lows, size 13, going for 140. 30% off of those. Got some LeBrons in the building. All red, size 13. I don't see them sticker on it, so I'm assuming they retail plus 30% off. Got these Jordan 1 low retros, size 14, 115, 30% off. That's pretty nice. A nice colorway, bro. Someone was getting like Travis Scott vibes as far as like the color blocking go. But they're not Jordan 1 OGs. They're Jordan 1 retros. You know, the more popular ones to me is the retros. So, but if y'all like these, man, size 14, you're right. They got these Air Adjust Forces going for 170, 30% off, size 12.5. Boy, these is heavy as hell, bro. These some stompers. Ambush on the back. I think these are collab. Wow, I ain't really too familiar with these, man. If y'all know about these, let me know in the comment section, bro. But these ain't it. These just ain't it. We also got these in here. LeBron 21s, all black. 7.5 men's. Refurbished section. They look clean, though. They look clean to me. Oh, and it's $100, too. I ain't even peeped that. $100, 30% off. That's $70, bro. That's a lot. Same with these, $100, $70 pretty much, because it's 30% off. But that price, man, that ain't bad, bro. And already you can see how sad it is in here. Nike outlet, it's bad works. But they do got these in here. These Jordan 2 lows. It's not the 2 3s. It is the original 2 low in the building for $80. That's a pretty nice price. A lot off of retail, which is $150, and they got plenty of sizes, bro. They also got these for $80 in the building. And they got these for 120, 30% off. They might as well just made that the same price, bro. What are you doing? Make it the same price. Come on, Nike. Oh, and they got a whole bunch of Air Force Ones. These some, what's the name of these? Oh, Air Force One Shadow. There you go. It's a unique little silhouette that they created. Nice material. Let's see what y'all got going on. Y'all trying something new. Let's see it. And you know we in Georgia, baby. You know they cranking up that volume. They cranking up that music. So get you a voiceover, baby. They had these for 70 beans. That's a good price if you ask me. You're right. And come on, let's be honest, bro. Shoes like these, bro, put them on sale, Nike. Put them on sale. They already been sitting ducks for a while, bro. Just go ahead and put them on sale, bro. Like the colorways is a little too freaky, bro. It's not gonna sell for real. Okay, just put them on a deep discount and get them out. Get them out the building. Oh, and to add on to the pain, man, they got these Jordan 1 metallic, white metallics for retail, man. What the hell they got going on? Why are they doing that? Come on, Nike. Put them at $100 plus 30% off. Get them guys out of here for $70. They have these Nike Dunk Highs. I do like these for $90. It's a unique colorway. And 30% off of that. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Come on now. Jordan 4 RMs. Ooh. Man, I was surprised to even see this shoe, bro. This shoe is kind of clean now that I'm seeing them for the first time in person, bro. These clean. Look at the materials. They look like premium materials. I ain't gonna lie. From all the other Jordan 4 RMs I've seen, compared to this exact one right here, this looked like one of the collabs they did with Nigel Sylvester. The material wise, that's a beautiful shoe. Oh man, I have to show y'all that. I have to put it up in the light. Man, look how good that shoe look, bro. I wish it was my size, but it's not. It's a size 11. I am a size 11, but a size 11 men. This was a size 11 women. So if you're a 9.5 men or women, whatever, go get that. Go get it. I ain't gonna lie, this might be the best shoe that they had in this store in a while. like I said, unless all the resellers be coming here, because they do got a resale store like not too far away from here. So I don't know if like resellers be over here just feeding on all the heat and just buying them as soon as they get them, or maybe a back door plug. Maybe we don't know. But yeah, I have to get that in before that music turn back on, bro. Because that Drake, you know, that's gonna get me copyrighted. We ain't going for it. We ain't going. They got these Jordan 1s. What's these called? Craft 2. These Jordan 1 Craft 2s. Bro, the color's throwing me off, bro. I don't like it. But if y'all interested in this shoe, they do got this in the building. In the women's section, size 11 women's. That's a 9.5 men's. If y'all need them, they got them in there. Okay, ladies, if you need to get taller, there you go. Jordan 1 platforms. Come on now, 144. Oh yeah, and they got them Cortezes in the building. Cortez guys, I like those. 11 men's, that's my size too. I would pick these up, man. This is a classic shoe, and they had them for a nice price, $65, 30% off. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Oh, they also got these here. They got these Jordan 1 low retro OGs in the building. I seen these in Cumberland Mall at Foot Locker. They do got these at the outlet. 140 retail, but 30% off of that. I seen these at Cumberland Foot Locker for $99, bro. $99. So I don't know what's 140 and 30% off. Do the math. But if you need them, they got them. They got these Jordan 1 low slips. That's what it's called. Got like a dotted check with no laces. They're going crazy with that. Wow. I don't know what that's about, but. Oh yeah, of course we can't forget about them Nike Tech fleeces, bro. 99 beans for them. 99. Is that a good price? What y'all think? Y'all let me know, bro. They had all flavors too: red, green, black, and the gray. That gray one, as you're gonna see coming up, that gray one was pretty nice, bro. I like that. They had plenty of sizes. $99. I'm pretty sure you can get these cheaper, maybe at a Foot Locker outlet. Maybe if you can find them cheaper, y'all let me know. But they had plenty of sizes there, so. And they also had plenty of apparel, 30% off on this rack. That's a clearance rack. The fleeces they didn't have any additional discounts, but these over here, they had those for for like 30% off. So yeah, get right, man. You know, I'll say this, bro. Today, this outlet, bro, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad today as how it usually is, bro. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Usually it's like a 2 out of 10. I'll give it a 5 out of 10, bro. Good job, Nike outlet. Good job. Okay, Tech Fleece in a cream colorway. Okay. And that was a good price last time I checked. I turned the audio off because they had that music blasting, bro. I'm not going for it. I'm not going. But as you can see, 30% off. I think you can get that for $70. Size extra large. Get right. And this jacket right here, this looked like a nice fleece jacket. I couldn't figure out what exactly it was, but I know it was Jordan and it had some type of design on it. I don't know if it's like some type of international collab or something like that. If you guys recognize this, let me know in the comment section, man. But $244, 30% off, that's tax anyways. There gotta be something up with these, bro. There's something up with these. There's some type of collab, I don't know. I like this Pirate jersey as well. They also had this in the building, Pittsburgh Pirates, stand up between the Pittsburgh area. Get right. And they also had this fleece hoodie, man. I thought it was a pretty nice hoodie. The material is kind of decent, and the design is kind of decent as well. I don't know if this, again, is some kind of collab, but they had that in the building also. A nice long sleeve shirt in the building. Man, this rack was a pretty good rack, man. I'll buy a couple of things off this rack. You know, I'm not going to do it today, but if I had it, I'll buy a couple of things off it, man. It's pretty nice. There you go. All black. Tech hoodie. No, it's not a tech hoodie, but it's close enough. So if you could get away with it, why not? I think it was about $60 with 30% off. So it probably come out to like $40. That's a pretty nice hoodie, extra large. Get right there. Oh yeah, and they had this kind of like West Virginia Mountaineer University kind of jacket. I thought it was nice, bro. Clean colorway, $94, 30% off. Pretty nice. Hey, UGA, stand up. They got a nice hoodie for y'all, man. That was pretty nice, man. And I got a big win this weekend in Texas, bro. Shout out to UGA Bulldogs, bro. $95, 30% off. Get right there. Hey, man, they had this nice Nike North Carolina A&T University. I don't know what the SU part stands for. Hey, if y'all know anything about this, let me know in the comment section, bro. But this is a nice old school HBCU jersey in the building. Nike collab. Oh, yeah. And you know I had to go to the Tech Fleece bottoms, 30% off. They had plenty of flavors, bro. I ain't gonna lie. $90, 30% off. That's a good price for a Tech Fleece bottom, bro. So if you need those, they got all type of colors in there for you, bro. Blue, gray, brown. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Nike outlet. I give it a W for the day. Pretty nice. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That wasn't bad. I know I was talking about how terrible this outlet is. But what I just seen in there, that was a step up from what they had the last like 10 times I've been there, bro. They don't usually got nothing. Not a damn thing. But them RMs ain't all that hype. I'm not saying they all that hype. I'm not saying they had the hottest thing out. But the few things they had in there, bro, I'm telling you, it's better than what they usually have, bro. But other than that, bro, make sure y'all like the video, bro. Comment, engage with me in the comment section, bro. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one, bro. Y'all be good. I'm out.